Looking for the best table saws in 2025? In this video, we'll explore the top-rated table saws that deliver precision, power, and ease of use for all your woodworking projects. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, we've got you covered with the best options for every need and budget. If you want to know about price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. DeWalt 10-inch Table Saw. The DeWalt 10-inch Table Saw, DWE 7491RS, is one of the best table saws 2025, offering exceptional performance and portability for all your woodworking projects. With a 32.5-inch rip capacity and a powerful 15-amp motor, this table saw can handle larger materials with ease. Its rolling, collapsible stand makes it incredibly easy to transport and set up, making it ideal for both home workshops and job sites. This table saw is a great choice as the best table saw for beginners 2025, thanks to its user-friendly features and reliable cutting performance. Whether you're building furniture or tackling large projects, this is one of the top table saws for woodworking 2025 that combines convenience, power, and precision. Number 2. SKIL 10-inch. The SKIL 10-inch heavy-duty worm drive table saw, SPT 99-11, is one of the best table saws 2025, offering unmatched durability and power for all your cutting needs. With a powerful worm drive motor, it delivers exceptional torque and precision for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This table saw is designed for portability, making it the best portable table saw 2025 for on-the-go projects. It also stands out as a table saw with the best safety features 2025, equipped with advanced safety mechanisms to protect users during operation. Whether you're working on construction sites or at home, this table saw offers the perfect balance of power, portability, and safety for all your woodworking projects. Number 3. Bosch GTS 15-10. The Bosch GTS 15-10 10-inch portable job site table saw is one of the best table saws 2025, offering powerful performance and exceptional mobility. With a 15-amp motor and 4 HP, it delivers smooth and accurate cuts on various materials, making it one of the most accurate table saws 2025. The 32 1/8-inch rip capacity ensures you can tackle larger projects with ease. This saw also features a gravity rise wheeled stand for ultimate portability, making it the best table saw for DIY projects 2025. Whether you're on the job site or working in your workshop, the Bosch GTS 15-10 provides reliable power, precision, and convenience for all your cutting needs. Number 4. SKIL 15-amp 10-inch. The SKIL 15-amp 10-inch portable job site table saw is one of the best table saws 2025, delivering impressive power and portability for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With a 15-amp motor, it ensures smooth and precise cuts, making it a top choice for a high-performance table saw 2025. This saw features a 10-inch blade and a folding stand, offering easy storage and mobility. Ideal for a variety of projects, it's also considered one of the best budget table saws 2025, providing excellent value without sacrificing performance. Whether you're working on wood, plastic, or other materials, the SKIL TS 6307-00 offers great versatility and reliable results for your next cutting task. Number 5. Upstream & Work M1 Pro. The Upstream & Work M1 Pro portable table saw is one of the best table saws 2025, designed for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. With its 13-amp motor and 5,700 RPM speed, this compact table saw ensures smooth, efficient cuts on a variety of materials. Equipped with a 24T blade and an adjustable cut depth and angle, it's perfect for customized cutting tasks. This table saw also features a dust collector for a cleaner workspace, making it one of the top choices for a table saw with fence system 2025. Additionally, its lightweight design and onboard carrying handle make it the best table saw for small shops 2025, offering portability without sacrificing performance. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information about these products, do check out my description. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.